Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make bigger size font than 72. So okay guys, we can see here limit is 72. You can make any letter once you select here. So 72 is maximum size, but you need more big size. So select it and here enter the manual number like 500 size, 550 size. So you can make bigger as you need. Okay, and also guys, once you click here, so you will see you can make the number must be between 1 and 1638 point size. So this is the biggest size in Microsoft Word, 1638. So we will make 1638. This is the biggest size in Microsoft Word. And actually because the page is small, so we are not able to see that one properly here. Because one letter will take the one page. So many big size. So you need big paper size to make it visible. So this is the way guys you can make the big sizer than 72 in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.